Hi, this is Sudarshan from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 7th February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get into your IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are ED probe on Paytm Horizon, CEO meets FM. Karnataka government imposes uniform minimum fare for Uber, Ola and others. India's clean energy boom slows as solar projects get delayed. Are southern states getting less funds from the center? Disney, Fox, Warner Bros. Discovery creates a joint sports streaming platform. The first news is about ED probe on Paytm Horizon, CEO meets FM. The Director of Enforcement is likely to initiate a formal probe into Paytm to investigate issues flagged in reference from the Reserve Bank of India. Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma met Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday regarding the banking regulator's action against the fintech firm. RBI had altered the ED a few months ago about possible violation of anti-money laundering provisions and know your customer norms at Paytm. The company denies any involvement in anti-money laundering activities and assures to abide by Indian laws and take regulatory orders with utmost seriousness. At the meeting with RBI, Sharma is understood to have sought an extension of February 29 deadline. The next news about Karnataka government imposes uniform minimum fare for Uber, Ola and others. The Karnataka government announced uniform minimum fares for both app-based cabs and city taxis depending upon vehicle cost and also plans to disallow surge pricing. This could affect the companies which have found the space to innovate and differentiate their business models to gain competitive edge. The order makes no distinction between different types of vehicles, be it sedans or SUVs, nor does it consider the availability of features like air conditioning. There is a criticism on lack of clarity around commissions and rates, a general lack of awareness about the terms and conditions that govern the relationship with these platforms, and no recognition of collective bodies. The next news is about India's clean energy boom slows as new solar projects gets delayed. Experts say it can pick back up. India's clean energy sector, particularly solar projects, has experienced a slowdown due to implementation delays. Factors including a mix of policy decision, politics, and supply chain issues have contributed to the slowdown. Concerns have been raised about India's ability to achieve its renewable energy targets amidst the slowdown. Experts believe that policy reforms and improved financing mechanisms can help revive the sector. Despite setbacks, there is an optimism about long-term potential of India's clean energy sector to contribute to the sustainable development. The next news is about our southern states getting less funds from the center. The narrative of North-South divide has picked up steam and is primarily over the allocation of central funds among states. Southern states like Karnataka are claiming that they are being deprived of their legitimate share from central taxes, while the center has cited the Finance Commission norms to defend the current level of devolution. The share of devolution for the less populous and physically stronger southern states tends to be lower, while few northern states which are weaker on these metrics gets larger share of central taxes. The dispute is threatening to escalate as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is all set to protest Delhi against unfair treatment in tax devolution, which is to be labeled as South Tax Movement. Sitharaman said that devolution to states happens as per the Finance Commission recommendation and that union government has no discretion in the allocation of tax revenues. The last news is about Disney, Fox, Warner Bros. Discoveries create joint sports streaming platform. Fox, ESPN, Disney are teaming up for a joint sports streaming platform. The services would offer an all-in-one package of programming that would include television channels such as ESPN, TNT, and FS1, as well as sports content that is streamed. This move is a response to the increasing competition in streaming industry. The joint platform is expected to expand the global reach of participating companies' content. The plans are to expand and not to replace Disney's flagship ESPN television network or Fox FS1, which already reach an avid group of sports fans on TV. So these are the 5 news for today. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT, and personal interviews, B school deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notification. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.